Ebi bigambirwe Engineer Dr. Felix Twinomuchunguzi omuhezi wa Commission Ministry y'amaizi n'obuhangwa obwabira ryo mu North Division omururembo rwa Fort Portal.
We have villages in the country. It came to Munana, 80,000 villages in the entire country. So all these villages, His Excellency the President has given us an order that all these villages must get at least a clean source of water. This is not a simple choice. So which areas get first, which ones get later? We are doing our best to move and all these areas and reach one by one.
Abire nakwasa abatura amaizi agamazireho billion 4 na million 5 agarukuza kureberwa aba National Water and Sewage Corporation.
So the government is doing its work. We want to supporting the 2031.
Amazamano kitarasa kugenda bonabona na amaizi mteka musente ikipya bikimbatulitara muri kondo siringi kipya kimsingi 5
so tuberekeza mutikoto abantu tuberekere bakwesa muno amaziba agedeba agaito agokya mbusaro sharing amaizi nebisoro na rokutera matafali so obyeja eno tekanize ya amaizi marungi factor sima government.
Omukoro ogu gukirwa habebembezo ku rugo mu rurembo rwa Fort Portal kandi basimire government ahabo kusyo buhereza ombyanga.
When we launched the project here and people were told that this project is worth 4.77 billion, hatu twatunga negative leaders, wrong elements. Bagenda bagamba abantu the division has 4 billion. So kuli na bebreta akaba kuzitaka milioni 9 bagamba no, they should add on because now they have the money.
Without wasting time, I would like to thank everyone who has participated in this project, and I would like to thank the political and technical leaders in the Northern Division and the city as well. The Water and Sanitation Committee has been very patient with us because we have been in this area for quite long.
Aba Ministry y'amaizi baraganisa okusya amaizi omubyanga ebitakatungire chwero kumara hwibura eritwire neriteganisa abatura.
And you are able to connect, you can be able to connect. And these phases where the way we implement, we focus on this big infrastructure mainly, the pumps, we focus on the tanks where the water comes from, so that this water can now be extended.
Provide security. Tubeturukuru ruguru hariho ingini yo mu hariho kiyabaza ari ruguru nangi na kirore ebi byeme mukorore ebi bikucinga aho abasuma bari muno najya na weldinga na atware kikiyomeke na kitwara nagenda.
Amaizi agakozirwe nigija kwera abatura ku rugo mbyaro nka Kitarasa, Karago, Ibonde na Butebe gasha kwa Michael Tumwachire.